Welcome, Diecast community. We are back with the Caterpillars, and this time we're gonna unbox and showcase this Cat D11T, one of the strongest tractors in the market. I was reading that this puppy has a Caterpillar engine that produces 850 horsepower, but this machine also weighs roughly around 223,000 pounds, so and it's a big engine. So let's get cracking. Let me get it out of the package and get everything out. We'll be back. As you can see, the model comes in a nice diorama package style. It's all cardboard. It had a few paper strings attached to the shovel and the back hook, and also through the tracks holding it back. This specific model comes with two accessories, so a different shovel and a different hook. So let's remove everything and take a closer look at the model. Here we have the extra shovel. This is a full plastic piece, and the extra smaller claw, which is also made out of plastic. Let's get some more light and get a closer look at the model. So this thing out of the bag, it's really heavy, which is good. It means it has more metal than plastic. This shovel is plastic as well. We have rubber tracks that move. They're a little stiff because obviously the model hasn't moved, but yeah, there they are. They're starting to go. Perfect. Decals in there. You can see a little bit of the cabin. Just standard details with joystick, cassette. We have exhaust tips. Do we have a good hydraulic system? We do. How about the back? Yep, it's also good. And we have details in the back. We have the fire suppression system or fire extinguishers in the back, painted in red. That's pretty nice. That's always welcome. And we also have a cat logo in the back and the side. And let's look at the back, bottom, sorry. It's all metal. So basically, shovel, the hook, and this little hydraulics are plastic, and the rails, everything else, it's in this cap. Sorry, in the cab. Everything else is metal, which is nice. Oh, look at the detail in there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So let's put it in our little display and see how it looks. So there it is, the D11T from Caterpillar, made by Diecast Masters. They are one of the best Caterpillar's replicas in the market right now. I love all these products. and I'm happy to have this one now in my collection. Definitely worth it. Um, this is the higher end line of 164, so pretty cool, pretty detailed, mostly metal, which is always great. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep bringing diecast content into this community and grow it and make it better. Thank you, and until the next one.